Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase your Facebook account, an easy guide. First, access your settings by clicking the downward arrow or your profile picture in the top right corner. Then, select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings from the menu. Navigate to your Facebook information on the left-hand side to find the deletion options. This first step is crucial for managing your account privacy effectively. Understanding the difference between deactivation and deletion is very important for making the right choice. Deactivating your account temporarily hides your profile and content, allowing you to return whenever you wish. However, permanent deletion removes everything, including posts, photos, and messages, after a 30-day grace period. Make sure you are certain about your decision before proceeding with the next steps. After choosing permanent deletion, you will receive a confirmation prompt asking if you are absolutely sure. Confirm your request, and your account will enter a 30-day waiting period before being permanently deleted. During this period, if you log back into Facebook, your deletion request will automatically be canceled. It is essential to avoid logging in if you truly wish for your account to be completely removed. Before you finalize the deletion process, remember to download a copy of all your data, including photos and posts. This ensures you retain any cherished memories or important information before it is gone forever. Also, be aware that some apps and websites use Facebook login, so you might need to adjust those settings separately. Once the 30 days pass, your account will be fully erased, providing complete digital peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.